Yo, what is up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to Never Lost Adventures. We got a new adventure for you. Today is my final day in life. No, just kidding. Actually, that's not funny.
No, that's not funny at all. So today we are down in Lompoc where he is going to be getting his skydiving license. So this will be his 6 and 7 jump?
6 and 7.
Yeah.
6 and 7 final jump. Everything's solo. I got a
that out.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
So I have to do 2 different exits and a couple barrel rolls, front and back, which are gonna crazy. I don't know how we're gonna train for that. I guess you just do it. I don't know.
And maybe you guys will be in there on the floor like doing somersaults or something.
I don't know. I just can't wait to see Casey. It's been a rough morning, so he's always full of energy. More energy than me. I know, believe it, right? More energy than me? What the heck? He's got a lot of energy.
He's got a lot of.
But I love it because it's great because you have to have that, you know, because I'm sure most people just overthink things and
Most people like you.
Most people like me, everything has to be perfect, and I had the sweatiest palms this morning that I've ever had in my entire life.
You could have swam in his sweat.
I could have swam in my sweat.
That was
Sweaty palms. So anyway, so you guys will love it. We're gonna have great content. It's gonna be phenomenal, and I can't wait to actually have my license. This is A license only, so there's B and C, and I think D, but yeah, so I'll have my A license, so that means I can jump anywhere, at any place, at any time, and yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a big deal.
It is a big deal.
Lots of time, lots of effort, lots of early mornings. We get up at dark 30.
It's not that bad.
No, we get up early so that we can drive 2 hours to get down here.
Yeah.
It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
Lots of time, lots of practice.
It's worth it.
He's practicing on dry land a lot of times. I mean, not like there's water in the air, so dry air, whatever. Anyways, he's practicing on the ground a lot of times. Like if I stop by to see him at lunch, he'll like practice by his truck, like do his little, and then.
Oh, my little exits.
Yeah.
My little 1, 2, 3 exits.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But it helps.
I don't have to do those anymore. That's a good thing.
Hey, nice.
Casey told me on my last 2 jumps, so you got to go up, down, and then release, and that's like a 3 count, right? And I've been forgetting that. Well, not forgetting it, but just not doing full up, down. They've been like half butt, and finally I got him, and he's like, by the way,
you don't have to do that anymore.
You don't have to do those counts anymore. Of course, go figure. But counts are good because when you start jumping with other people, everybody has to exit the plane. If you try to do some crazy maneuver, everybody has to exit the plane at the same time. So it's good practice anyways to do those counts.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go, guys. Jump 6 and 7, A license coming up, and maybe I'll be jumping in a local area near you. Here we go, guys. Jumps 6 and 7, A license.
All right, good morning. We are doing a level 6. Derek is actually going out of the 206 for the first time.
First time. Switching
and
sides.
doing a diving exit for the first time. There's not many other ways to get out of this plane, so we're not going to be standing up on the outside of it, that's for sure. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Land that 230 like a boss. Flare in, flare in, flare in. Finish that flare. Nice. Good job. And there goes the 206. All right, you've reached the final level of AFF. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna do basically some front flips out of the plane.
Yeah.
Relax, stabilize, do backflip, and we're gonna try some tracking.
Okay. Yeah.
Hiking back down to the riverbed amidst the rusty cans and hopefully no transients. Derek's last jump went amazing. He did really good. This next jump, he has to do like a barrel roll. Or no, that was the last one. This one he has to do a front flip. So that's gonna be really fun. These are the days of our lives. Once again, waiting down here in the riverbed for the chutes to open, risking life, limb, and possibly transient abduction. And waiting to hear parachutes.
Good job, brother. Awesome.
He must be having fun. I can hear him yelling. Good job, babe.
All right, final AFF landing. And a little bit of a braked approach already. Braked approach and finish that flare. That's good. Wow. Okay. Good job.